Hi Beachcliff! Today we are going to learn to make Eid lanterns. So what you will need is an A4 coloured paper, some paint, colouring pens, crayons, stickers or anything you like that you would like to use to colour your and design your lantern. You will need a stapler, some scissors and that's it really. So pretty much not very much things, so you should have them at home. So I've got my piece of paper. I'm going to begin to decorate it first. So I've got some yellow paint that I'm going to put on my picture. So I'm going to do some circles. And then I think I'm going to do some love hearts. I've got some red paint with a paintbrush and I'm going to do some love hearts on my picture with the paint. You can also use your hands if you want, or your fingers if that makes it easier. I've also got some felt tips. So I've got a blue felt tip here that I'm going to use. I'm going to draw a star. So I've done a triangle and another triangle on top of it to make a star. So that's my picture so far. Okay, I'm going to make a crescent using the yellow paint. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to make my star a pinky colour. Okay. You can also use some earbuds if you want to decorate your picture. So I'm going to draw a flower with my earbuds. Okay. And I've also got some stickers as well. So I'm going to begin with using a blue sticker. And then maybe a yellow one. Another yellow. Okay, now that I feel like I'm ready and I've finished decorating my A4 piece of paper, I'm now going to fold it in half. So I'm going to fold it like so. Okay, so we'll fold it in half. And then what I do need to do is I need to have a handle for my lantern. So I'm going to cut a strip from the side over here, maybe about 1 centimetre in, okay, like this. So I've got my handle here for my lantern. I folded my piece of paper in half, as you can see, and now I'm going to cut incisions into my piece of paper like this. So I'm going to cut it upwards. We don't want it too close to the edge, so about so. Okay. There we go, so it should look like this. It's like a piano. Okay, and then what you need to do is open it up. There we go. And what we need to do now is turn it around and we are going to fold it this way. Okay, so it's like this at the minute. So I'm going to fold it around like this. And this is where I need my scissors, my staplers. Okay, so I'm going to staple the top. Like that, okay, and then I'm going to staple the bottom, like so, and that is the lantern ready. So can you see the decorations that I did? So there's the crescent and the star. There are the stickers. There's the circles that I made with the spongy paint. And there's the love hearts. Okay, and now for the last part of it. Oh, it stands up as well. So I'm going to staple on the handle. So you can hang this off anywhere if you want. Or you could just leave it like that. It's up to you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to staple on my handles. Okay. And on this side. And there we have it. My Eid lantern. All ready to go up as a decoration, ready for Eid. So all you need, again, like I said, you need an A4 piece of paper. It could be a white piece of paper, a coloured piece of paper, whatever you've got at home. You need a stapler to staple the handles and the top and the bottom of the piece of paper to join the lantern together. But if you don't have a stapler, that's fine. You could probably use sellotape. You could probably use glue, and to decorate whatever you like. I've used some paint, I've used felt tape, I've used some